Because this was hectic.
In the beginning, we were a little bit sort of rickety. Yeah, we didn't sort of know who was doing what. And, you know, I'm looking in front of it now and it looks good. Just take a big one.
Okay, let's go.
I'll pay, you go.
Thanks. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go.
I'll
get chilies, ginger, garlic. Tapioca.
Must we take a soy?
Oh yeah, we do need soy.
Here we take light soy, dark soy.
Okay, this, I don't know what this is, but it says for red cooking. So okay, I like that.
Something soy that says it's for red curries.
Just because one must.
Peanuts, sesame oil, chili oil. There's just a lot of things.
We took this sweet chili sauce.
Okay,
it's fine, it's fine.
We ended up spending 750 Rand.
5, 6, 7.
I run out to get the duck. I get some duck neck, duck breasts and drumsticks as well, because there only seems to be 2 packs of duck neck, and I'm not sure if that's going to be enough.
Duck is our core today. We have some duck breasts and the whole duck liver, duck fat.
Teams, 1 minute left, guys. The stores will be closed.
Do you have all the duck stuff? Do you have duck eggs?
Yeah. No, we didn't get eggs.
Dude, I hope this comes together.
You need to finish up the shopping and start cooking. Let's get a move on.
Let's just double check.
There's only 10.
That's it. The stores are closed.
Yo. Should I slice some spring onion in here from the get-go? Might as well.
We haven't really assigned roles for any of our elements yet.
Should I wash these veg for you?
Yeah.
We had just thrown ideas around and run in and grab things, and now suddenly we had to make it come together.
We've chosen to do black rice with fried duck egg and some garlic chives through it.
I'm going to chop the duck.
doing the duck breast.
My first point of call is the duck neck.
Today was definitely a challenge for us because I've never ever cooked a duck before. Kamani, what you want in the duck breast marinated with?
We'll do this with like a spicy sweetness. What if you like a Chinese vibe spicy sort of thing?
Okay. Our station, it's really chaotic. We don't really have a leader, and at the same time, we didn't really plan out each dish.
Right, Ozzy, what are you making?
I'm making 5-spice duck breast, Chinese fried rice with duck eggs, and we're also doing a Chinese cabbage with crispy duck neck in a sweet chili sauce.
First time you've done duck neck?
Yes.
Right, interesting one to choose. Well, good luck, crack on, and we'll see you a bit later.
None of the 3 of us have cooked duck neck before. Funnily enough, none of us have cooked duck breast before either.
So, Leandri, how did you guys decide who was going to do what and how it was going to work today?
I'm just doing as I'm told.
We're doing as you were told.
I think that perhaps Tyron knows best what's going on in our dish, so I'm going to keep checking with him to see that we're on track.
Okay, well, as long as somebody knows what's going on. Okay, guys, what have we got on the go?
Bring some duck neck.
What are you going to do with the duck?
I'm going to marinate it with a bit of spices, some chili garlic. Then we're going to just put in some of our rice flour, deep fried in the duck fat.
What's going to happen with the duck eggs?
We're going to use that for our egg fried rice.
Okay, great. So how long do you think this is going to take to cook, Ty?
Deep fried. 12 minutes at the most. I don't know. I'll know when I have to see it visually.
Right, okay, well, I'll leave you guys to crack on. Good luck.
Thank you, Chef. Jason has an idea for a broth with all the Asian flavors in the broth and some crispy spring rolls with a dipping sauce.
I'll just finish washing up.
Spring rolls?
Spring onion.
And corn.
We didn't really know exactly how everything was coming together because we started without planning enough.
Blue team and red team, half an hour has already gone by. There are 60 minutes remaining.
We're going to do a duck breast wonton, the starch, and the duck neck. That's everything, right?
Andrew, who's taking charge in this group?
Well, at the moment, it's, it looks like they're all just doing their little bit. There's no clear leader, but it looks like Carmi's taking that little bit of control, watching over everyone. Carmi was doing the duck neck. First time she's ever worked with it. Now, we know that with duck neck, you have to steam it down first before you start marinating it to soften it up.
The blue team are also doing duck neck. He's marinating in some aromatics, some chilies, some ginger, some garlic, but he's not really sure how long it's going to take to cook.
I need to quickly start steaming these duck necks, eh?
Yeah, go for it, you.
If you're going to have an element in your plate and none of your team's ever cooked it before, you are asking for trouble.
Okay, duck necks on.
How much Szechuan pepper did you put in there?
About a teaspoon. Here's it, chef.
Did you put cloves?
Yep. That Szechuan pepper is a bit harsh.
No, it's good though. Just add some honey.
Yeah, we are going to add honey.
My team gets along really well. Ozzy, Conley, and I have been together in every team challenge.
This is just a taste right now, just to see how long we have to cook the next for. So I want you guys to try the duck neck and let me know.
I think you can actually cook it less.
Yeah, because it is a little bit brown.
It's dry.
The flavor is amazing. The crispiness on the outside is also good. It was a huge task for a team of 3 to take on cooking for 10 people, traditional Chinese food, where no one is in their comfort zone. Comes.
Yep.
Look here. It's not getting crispy. It's just burning with honey.
Why is it burning?
Have you done duck before?
It's burning with honey.
Don't put the honey on at the beginning. Okay, take that one off. Is there salt on these?
Yep.
Okay. Are you watching it? I'm off it now, yeah?
I'll watch it. Thank you.
But you can see that duck that Aussie's doing now in that pan. That duck breast should have been scored, should have been put into a cold pan and heated through to render off the fat.
Let me quickly roll these up, get them frying.
I start to fry off the spring roll. You just want a golden brown.
Going way too brown.
Oh, this thing's hot, though.
It's, ow! Can you take them out before they burn?
Okay, come.
Yes. And the first batch is brown.
Yeah.
You want to check?
Yeah, nice. Let's push, guys. Let's go. Let's move it now.
The rice is going in there.
Okay.
We still have more rice that we have to give in there. Oh, we're going to just crack the eggs in there and give it a good scramble.
The neck I tried. It's edible, and it's not. I don't think it's gonna be so pleasant. So there's not much meat, so it's not appetizing. This is lovely. The sauce came out beautifully, and the spring rolls are great, and fried rice will be great as well. So we're not doing the neck. It's just not. It will ruin the whole dish. All right, time to strain our broth.
It's just pak choi, garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Simple, plain, tasty, right?
The thing about Asian food is that the flavors are quite simple. So I think the flavors are definitely there in our dish.
Teams, there is only 3 minutes left. We really want to see those platters on the front of your sections. You really do need to be garnishing, finishing off.
Okay, come. We need to go.
Yeah, wait. This thing needs to cook, otherwise it's going to be the end for us here. Some more?
1 minute remaining, 60 seconds, then it's all done.
And I'm also worried about this cabbage. I'm really worried about the taste and whether or not it's cooked through.
Let's just do one more plate of rice.
In 10,
The numbers are even.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking. That's it. Well done, team.
Good job. Jeepers, this was hectic.
In the beginning, we were a little bit sort of rickety. Yeah, we didn't sort of know who was doing what. And, you know, I'm looking in front of it now and it looks good.
I think we made a few blunders with burning our first veggies, but other than that, I'm happy with everything. I hope we can impress our guests tonight.